Welcome to Extreme Controls and Automation Private Limited. I am happy to introduce you our new upgraded payment system, that is QR Master Plus. So it is from QR Master, our existing one, to QR Master Plus, this one. This is the 3-in-1 payment system. One is the QR feature. So you simply scan by your Paytm or any payment app. I paid 20 rupees. Now the system is in ready to vend mode. Now we will press coffee. We paid for coffee. Now second option is RFID, and one more thing, it is multi-price payment system. So you can select the price, you can select the lane. So this is the second lane. From 20 to 10 it comes, because we are taking for tea, and it will come from lane number 2. So this time we pay by smart card. Now you can see the machine is again ready to vend. Now we press the tea option, and drink comes. So the third option is coin acceptor. So by this you can use coin or token to pay, and this will also connect from this payment system, and this is how it become 3-in-1 payment system. This is very fast, reliable, efficient payment system, multi-price. For every price you can set for each lane. Its all setting is very online. To operate this, Wi-Fi connectivity is required. Wi-Fi is specially required for UPI operation and data logging. And one more thing it have, that is it have cup per day feature or cup per month feature. So what it does, you can see when we scan 3/6 comes again 4/6. It's mean it have quota for local, for staff or for card holders, that he can take 60 cup in a month. More than that he can't take. So after completing the month, user can again get the quota of 60 cups. So it take record of month, and if 60 cup completes, user can take tea coffee by paying QR code. So this is how we can serve the staff if deployed in any corporate place where the working staff, we need to give 2 cup per day. So this have also feature to 2 cup per day, or not only 2 cup, you can set from your control panel how much cup in a day user can take, the card holders can take. And apart from cup per day, it have also a recharge facility extra amount, and that can debit from same as QR, pay by QR. So this is with all these features, this is the 4-in-1 payment system actually. Thank you. We meet in the next product upgradation. No. we meet next time, please like us, subscribe us, and purchase from us. Thank you.